Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install .NET Framework 4.8 on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in term Windows features, and it should say on or off. Go ahead and select that and then check mark where it says Net Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Select OK. Give us a moment here. And it says Windows completed the requested changes. Select Close, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.